Hello everyone, welcome to this Bold BI Linux deployment series video. In this video, I will show you how to set up the Nginx server on a CentOS Linux environment for deploying Bold BI. Before beginning the setup, let's first do a quick overview of the Nginx server. Nginx is open-source web server software designed to handle high-traffic loads efficiently. It is widely used for websites and applications where performance, scalability, and security are required. In this video, I am using a PuTTY terminal to set up Nginx. The virtual machine is already configured with the required credentials. First, install the Nginx server along with all necessary dependencies. This will enable you to host the Bold BI server on your Linux machine. When prompted for confirmation, enter Y to proceed with the installation. Next, enable the Nginx server by running this command. Then, start the server by executing this command. To check the status of the Nginx server, use this command. Ensure that the status is active running, which confirms that Nginx has started successfully. Next, run this command to install the EPEL extra packages for Enterprise Linux repository on CentOS. This repository provides additional packages that are not included in the default CentOS repositories. Next, install the libgdiplus library, which is a GDI+ package required for enabling graphics in the Bold BI application. If you want to install the Bold Data Hub application along with Bold BI, you need to install the Python package. To do this, run the following command. Next, install pip along with the dependency packages for the Data Hub service. Then, set a path to the environment variable by running this command. I have added a link in this video's description to documentation that contains all the commands used in this video. Now the environment is ready for installing the Bold BI application. In the next video, we will continue with the installation and configuration of Bold BI in the CentOS Linux environment using Nginx. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.